how to duplicate a workflow in n8n. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this quick and short tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can duplicate a particular workflow that you have created in your workflow in your n8n instance. So if you wish to duplicate any particular workflow in order to avoid repetition, what you need to do is simply first launch your n8n instance, and once your n8n instance launches, then you need to click onto the workflows. Within the workflows, choose that particular workflow that you want to duplicate. Then click onto these three dots and then choose the duplicate option. Once you do that, you can simply name it slightly different than the original one. And then you can also choose or create a tag for that particular workflow as well. But this step is optional. Simply click onto this duplicate option, and now you can see that the workflow has been successfully duplicated. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.